How to fix email notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. On this page, scroll down and go to Gmail. Once you're here, turn on the Allow Notifications feature at the top. You can now view and manage Gmail notification settings from here. For example, the alerts, lock screen appearances and more. Then, go back and repeat the same for the Mail app as shown. Following these steps, you can easily fix email notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.